In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Claude AI. To get started, open the Google Docs document you want to use. Claude can't directly import a live Google Doc in this workflow, so the first thing you need to do is download your document into a file format Claude can read easily. At the top of your Google Doc, click File, then move down to Download. You'll see several format options here. Choose the one that makes the most sense for your needs, such as PDF, Microsoft Word, or plain text. PDF is usually a good choice if you want to preserve the document's layout. A Word file can be useful if you want Claude to work with more editable formatting, and plain text is a simple option if you only care about the written content. Once the file has finished downloading to your device, go to the Claude AI website or open the Claude app, then sign in to your account if you haven't already. After that, either start a new chat or open an existing conversation where you want to analyze the document. A new chat is often the best option if you want to keep the task organized and focused on just that file. Next, look for the Attach button. Depending on the version you're using, this may appear as a paperclip icon or a plus symbol. Click it, then browse your device and select the file you just downloaded from Google Docs. After you choose the file, give it a moment to upload completely. The upload time may vary depending on the file size and your internet connection, so make sure the upload finishes before sending your request. If you move too quickly, Claude may not have access to the full document yet. Now you're ready to tell Claude what to do with the file. In the message box, enter a prompt that matches your goal. For example, you can ask Claude to summarize the document, find the main points, or rewrite it in a professional tone. Try to be clear and specific, since better prompts usually lead to better results. When your prompt is ready, press enter to send it. Claude will then analyze the uploaded document and respond based on the instructions you gave. And that's it. You've successfully taken a Google Doc, downloaded it in a supported format, uploaded it to Claude, and asked Claude to work with the content. If you found this helpful, you can repeat the same process for other documents whenever you need summaries, edits, or insights from your files.